Hi, I'm Josh and welcome to In a Rush. In these videos, we'll tell you all you need to know about Rush and our solutions. We'll keep it quick and easy because who knows, you might be in a rush. E-commerce is now becoming mainstream. From a sales turnover of $500 million in 2015, e-commerce in the Philippines is seen to top $12 billion by the year 2025. Its share of wallet will only grow larger in the years to come. This is why it is important for every business to establish their own e-commerce platform. With the Rush eStore suite, you can bring your products and services closer to your customers. And today, we'll help you kickstart your digital store by adding your brand and branches. On your Rush CMS, click the Store module. Under the Organization tab, go to Brand and click +2 Setup. Provide the needed information such as name, logo, and description. Once complete, toggle Publish, then click Submit. Repeat the entire process for all your brands. After that, add your branches. Adding branches is also easy. You can do a multi-branch setup by accomplishing and uploading our Excel template. You can also add them one by one. Click the plus button, then supply the needed information. To set up your store's operating hours, either select each day you are open or choose Select All and input your store hours. Your branch will appear closed on days you did not select. Now, upload a new branch logo or choose Logo Same as Brand. Next, set up your branch location and contact information. Make sure your numbers are active to avoid losing customers. Finally, pin your location accurately so your customers can see your store when they search for stores nearby. When you're done, toggle Publish and click Submit. Do this for the rest of your branches. Now you can see your brands and branches. From here, you can edit or delete the brand or branch. See? As easy as 1, 2, 3. Now you're ready to add your employees. Watch the next video to learn how. This has been Josh, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.